It's Friday evening and outside the White House now. This is the South Lawn of the White House. We're expecting any minute from now that the Marine One takes U.S. President Donald Trump to Walter Reed Hospital. He announced earlier this morning that he was tested positive with COVID-19.
According to the White House, President Trump will stay at the military hospital for the next few days. In a statement, White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany said President Trump, who has mild symptoms, remains in good spirits and has been working throughout the day. White House official also told CNN that Trump has not transferred his power temporarily to Vice President Mike Pence under the 25th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Trump announced on early Friday morning that he and his wife had tested positive for COVID-19 shortly after confirming a close aide to him had contracted the virus. In a new memo, White House physician Sean Conley said Trump remains fatigued but in good spirits as of Friday afternoon. The doctor added the First Lady remains well with only a mild cough and headache, and that the remainder of the First Family are well and tested negative for COVID-19 on Friday. The confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the United States reached over 7.3 million as of Friday evening, according to Johns Hopkins University. Xinhua correspondents reporting from the White House.